Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Give my glasses. We'll get in a minute, dude. I'm gonna die and you're handcuffed up on me.
Excuse me.
I really do. I hate it when
Please do.
I hate it when it's true. That shit.
Thanks.
Oh, what's a kick set?
Oh my god.
Bless you. When you left, where did you... Bless you. You alright?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to have to get rid of this table that's right here. You know this table? Woohoo!
No, we're not in my car. Here's Hannah. That's from Kara. Peel it up. The front. The front. It's like baby wipes. Oh.